Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you unlock all game on your pickup. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here in this sign down here, when you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here. Sorry, you click in this sign here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to. When you click here on all games here, it's going to take you to this list. Then you just click here on unlock all games here. When you just click on it here, so then here automatically it's going to unlock here all games here. But before that you have to get premium, then it's going to unlock all games in this list here on your pickup. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.